Yeah, and here we go. This is my final project. For the final project, I have used the Pittsburgh Public School data. The link to the data resource is catalog.go. Allegheny County, Pennsylvania, and the city of Pittsburgh both publish their data through the Western Pennsylvania Regional Data Center. The Western Pennsylvania Regional Data Center supports key community integrates by making public information easy to find and use. The data center is managed by the University of Pittsburgh's Center for Social and Urban Researches and is a partnership of the university. This data set contains all the information of the schools located in Pittsburgh, including school's name, school's address, city, state, zip code, and latitude and longitude. To begin the data analysis of this data set, I have carried out an exploratory data analysis EDA. Using the pandas information method, I have printed a report on data showing the columns and non-null count and the data type of each column. This method also tells us the total number of entires in our data. The next the next EDA was described which gives as the count mean standard deviation mean 25%, 50%, 75%, and the max values of the discrete data in our data set. The next ADA was column function, which returns all the column labels in our data set. The next EDA was the unique function, which returns the count of all unique elements for each column of the data set. The final final EDA was is null method used together with the sum method to show the total number of nulls entries in every column of the dataset. The graph dashboard to develop a data analysis dashboard of our dataset, I have used the SweetWiz library to analysis and create an HTML report named dataanalysis.html. This file opens in the new window displayed the null data analysis window. And in the graph, for the first graph of this project, I have grouped my data by the zip code so as to calculate the number of schools per year zip code location from the Pittsburgh public school location dataset. There are 21 different zip code locations, each with different number of schools. To plot the database in a Python plot, I have converted the zip code column to start data type so that it is no longer numbers but data labels. The following for the second graph, I have plotted the top 5 zip codes with the most schools. To achieve this, I sorted the top zip code data frame and reset index so that all the elements were sorted by number of schools within the specific zip code location. In the graph 3, the final graph displays the zip code location with the least number of schools. To achieve this, I have used the previously sorted dataset and displayed the zip code regions with the least number of schools.